Hey friends, are you ready? Welcome to my channel, Fun Strawberry.
A is for Asphalt Paver, paving the way. Asphalt Paver, clearing the day. B is for Bulldozer, strong and wide. Bulldozer, pushing with pride. C is for Crane Truck, lifting up high. Crane Truck, reaching the sky. D is for Dump Truck, heavy and loud. Dump Truck, standing so proud. E is for Excavator, digging the ground. Excavator, spinning around. F is for Forklift, stacking it tall. F, forklift, lifting it all. G is for Grader, smoothing the road. Grader, carrying the load. H is for Haul Truck, mighty and tough. A haul truck, built to be rough. I is for Industrial Drill, drilling so deep. I, industrial drill, no time for sleep. J is for Jackhammer, breaking the stone. Jackhammer, shaking the zone. K is for Knuckle Boom, bending with might. K Knuckle Boom, lifting just right. L is for Loader, scooping with care. L Loader, working everywhere. M is for Mixer Truck, swirling the mix. M Mixer Truck, concrete tricks. N is for Narrow Loader, slim but strong. And Narrow Loader, moving along. O is for Overhead Crane, high above. Overhead Crane, working we love. P is for Pile Driver, pounding down low. Pile Driver, steady and slow. Q is for Quarry Truck, hauling big rock. Q Quarry Truck, tick-tock, tick-tock. R is for Road Roller, rolling out flat. A road roller, imagine that. S is for Scissor Lift, rising so neat. Scissor Lift, no one can beat. T is for Tower Crane, tall and grand. Tower Crane, lending a hand. U is for Utility Truck, tools on board. Utility Truck, jobs are scored. V is for Vibratory Roller, shaking the street. Vibratory Roller, thump thump beat. W is for Wrecking Ball, swinging with might. W, Wrecking Ball, what a sight. X is for X-Frame Loader, crossing in style. X Frame Loader, working the pile. Y is for Yard Truck, towing with ease. Z for Machine, clearing the trays. Now you know your A to Z, construction trucks from land to sea.